Good morning, YouTubers. It's David Norton, Bradyville, Tennessee, and today I'm doing the Airgun Depot golf ball challenge at 200 yards. My equipment is the Hat Sand bull balls in 25 caliber, and I'm shooting the Exact King Diablo MK2 33.95 grain pellets. So now we're going to range find the target, get the distance, 200 yards. And then there's the target. Come on, camera. There we go. And you can barely see the golf ball on it. We got a piece of wood screwed to the target with two golf tees holding the golf ball there. The wind blew it off a minute ago, and that was a long walk for an old fat man. So here we go. I'll leave this camera here so you can get the over the shoulder view of me shooting.